So Anycubic 3D printer combo Cobra 3. First print, and I started with these 5 little shapes here. The problem is it just started printing. It says 5 hours 50 minutes for these little things. That's because of the flush volume. It was set to a 1. I finally found how to tweak it to 0.1. It greatly reduces the amount of plastic wasted. So to do that, you go here while printing, by the way. You go here, and you reduce these to 0.1. Unfortunately, you can't set it to 0, but 0.1 will do. You can actually adjust it up to 3 if color mixing happening during the print. But these models I've downloaded for Bamboo Labs printer, so it's printing the tower here as well. So I don't need any flash at all, but I couldn't set it to 0. So 0.1 will do. Will dramatically reduce the amount of waste. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.